Hi, I'm Robert, the TheTutorialMaker, and this is a video showing how to add a password to your LibreOffice documents or to make them read-only so that only you can alter them. One great thing about working on files in LibreOffice is that it is really easy to set a password or other restrictions if your files are going to be left in a shared environment. To access any of these security settings, go to File and click Save As. You'll be presented with the normal window for saving your document. Tick the Save with Password option. If you are working on a document that was previously saved at any point, then you must keep the name the same if you want to add restrictions to the original document. Otherwise, you will simply be creating a second document which will have the security restrictions, but the original document will remain unrestricted and open to anyone. The best way to know you are doing this correctly is that if you are saving over an old document, then when you click Save, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to replace the existing file. Click Replace. A new window will appear, and this is the Set Password window. If you simply wish to add a password that people must enter to open your file, then type in the password you want, and then type it again in the confirmation box. Before clicking OK, be absolutely sure that you will remember this password. It is not possible to recover your document if you forgot the password for the document. So, click OK and you will have set a password on your document. Let's close it and head back in, and as you can see, I need to enter my password to get back in again. However, this isn't the only security option, so let's select Save As. Make sure Save with Password is still ticked and save again. You'll be asked if you're sure you want to overwrite the file. Go ahead, and you'll find yourself in the password settings again. This time, click the arrow next to Options. So now you can make your file read-only. Now personally, I don't want to do that to the original file because that means I won't be able to make any changes to it in the future. Instead, I'm going to tick read-only, but I'm going to make editing only allowable with a password. So I'll enter in a password to do this, and then type it again to confirm, and click OK to finish. What you've done now is actually remove the previous password settings on the document, and instead there is only a password on it if you want to be able to edit the document. People without that password will only be able to view the contents of the document when they open it. So, in the future, when working on private documents, you need to remember that any time you edit the original document, but want to keep the security settings the same, you need to click Save. If, on the other hand, you want to change any security settings, you must click Save As, and then adjust how protected your document is based on your current preferences. And keep in mind, if you change the name of the document in the Save As window, you are creating a new document with a different set of security settings. The original document will still exist with its previously selected security settings. Remember, LibreOffice is entirely free to use, but if you have questions about the program or want to donate to the Document Foundation, visit LibreOffice.org. And if you need a tutorial made, you can email me at robert.b.alexander@gmail.com.